Welcome to Dronelink Advanced number 18, Cardinal Images. This feature is available in the more professional plans of Dronelink, however, it is very easy to make one yourself. But first, what is a cardinal photo? A cardinal photo, in principle, is a circle around the subject where you take from 12 different angles an image where you point at the same direction. So it's like it flying in orbit, but then with photos.
Drie, twee, één. Starting mission.
In this sample, I'll take a cardinal image from my project, which I'm building in Belgium. Just fly at 120 meters high and about 120 meters from the focal point, and I will take 12 images. A very often reason to make cardinal photos is to have a record of your project over a longer period of time. So you can fly the same mission over and over again and you will see the progress. In this sample, we fly an original cardinal photo, and later on we will make a mission ourselves which basically does the same thing. Just a little calculation, a little mathematics and a little planning.
Mission accomplished.
As you can see on Google Earth, the image from Google Earth is not yet up to date. So I need to find the correct location to do that. So I have used a waypoint and I imported that waypoint into AirData. From there I can have an XML and that I use to determine the exact location of our flight. These are the correct coordinates. I took a screenshot of the coordinates for further references. Now let's process them. I'll add a link to the website I use for conversion. Now we make a new plan in Dronelink with the coordinates we just acquired. Just place your reference somewhere on the map. It doesn't matter where because we have to change it anyway. Make a new component and choose Orbit. Just put the center somewhere, doesn't matter where. Now copy-paste the latitude and the longitude from the conversion site which we have saved before. This will be the center of your orbit, the correct one. Now drag the approach to the center of the orbit so you are in the same venue. When you have done that, you can set the correct parameters, most likely your altitude and the radius of your circle. Now we have set the flight path of your drone in a nice orbit. Please note that the camera will always point to the base of your focus point, that means to the ground level. Later on in this video we show you how to change the tilt of that. The camera type is interval, and because we cannot set the amount of degrees, we have to use time. This is a little bit playing, but you will figure that out. In the preview we can see the red dots below, which is the amount of images we take. So we can go there to have 12 images just by changing the time interval. When we're done and happy, we go fly the mission, as we will do now.
Drie, twee, één. Starting mission.
Due to extreme weather, I had to abort the mission and storm broke loose. But I was able to do 75% of the mission before I had to stop. But all those images, they were perfect.
Mission stopped. Drie, twee, één. Starting mission. Mission stopped.
And here I decided to terminate my mission. We will continue with some other planning with regards to adding your tilt.